Unit upgrade day in beautiful downtown. You don't ever have to deal with this. Count yourselves blessed. 2 Trane units, bar unit, kitchen unit's getting an upgrade. So they're downstairs killing power now, and we're gonna confirm, start getting things disconnected. We've done the gas lines, haven't pulled the electrical yet. And then flip flop. Happy Sunday morning. All right, we had a 5-ton unit. We're putting a 7.5 ton on. So curb adapter, we've run it out the side because we're not gonna run it through. Unit's airborne right now. I know people just ignore the tags. They're like, oh yeah, whatever, I know everything. I don't, I'm real dumb. So I gotta read these things. And it tells me that the transformer was set for 230, which means it was wired this way, 230, 208, and it has to be moved to 208 because that's what we're running. All right, so we just had to get these up and running. We got some cleanup to do. But because of this curb adapter, we went and made a connection on the outside. We're gonna go ahead and conduit strap that in place, but brought it into there. You can see the water pool on this roof, so we're gonna run, long term, we're gonna elevate that and we're gonna run it off into the gutter so you do not need more water on this roof. This unit's the same, so conduit straps there. As mentioned earlier, you got to make sure you flip this to 208 and not break the terminal. And then Trane, awesome, puts a phase monitor. So we're not, the boss just went downstairs. He's going to turn the breaker on there, and then we'll turn this on. And the phase monitor will tell us if we're right or not. So, yeah, buddy. Old ones. Strapped. Adios. But this upgrade in the kitchen will help them a lot. It's a busy place. Also, it's like a little science field trip. We've got water and wood, and we're just starting our own mangrove up here. Our whole little ecosystem. Downtown Atlanta. Going green.